One of the best ways to save money as an owner-operator or a fleet manager is to get a fuel card. But with dozens of different cards on the market, how do you choose? Not to worry, my name is Caroline. I'm your trucking business professor here at the Bobtail Help Desk to show you how to figure that out. My goal in these videos is to help your trucking business thrive. If that sounds good to you, subscribe to the channel. Okay, let's get down to basics. What is a fuel card? A fuel card, or fleet card as it's sometimes called, is a type of payment card to buy fuel. In some cases, fuel cards or fleet cards can also be used to buy other things on the road, like maintenance, parts, or lodging. Fuel cards can be either prepay, kind of like a debit card, or a gift card where you put money on the card. Other cards give you a line of credit so you can make purchases and then make payments on the card either on a weekly or monthly basis. When you apply for the Bobtail Zero Mastercard, for example, you apply for a weekly line of credit that you can use to pay for fuel. It is not a credit card, but it can be used to build your business credit. Everyone in this industry, from an owner-operator that has just one truck to a fleet manager that has hundreds, can use fuel cards to get control of fuel spending and discounts on fuel. But every fuel card has its own set of terms and conditions. So let's talk about them, starting with discounts. Fuel costs can take up 25% or more of a trucking business's revenue. So discounts can get you a long ways to becoming more profitable. But all fuel cards have a different way of managing their discounts. Discounts will always depend on the brand of truck stop or retailer that you're visiting, the geographical location, and the relationship that your fuel card company has with that retailer. For Bobtail Zero, we're working on deals with some great retailers for discounts in hundreds and eventually thousands of locations. More information on that will come very soon. But always keep in mind when you're shopping around for a fuel card that if a product looks too good to be true, it probably is. A fleet card that promises unbelievable discounts is probably making up for that with some hefty fees. And here's where fuel cards can get tricky. Many fuel card companies will make their fee structure overly complicated so that you can't really tell what you're paying for. I've seen fuel card agreements that charge upwards of 18 different fees for things like account maintenance, transactions, and annual membership. Some cards will even charge a percentage of your savings. That's why we recommend looking for a card that has a simple, transparent fee structure. The Bobtail Zero Mastercard got its name from our zero fee policy. That's right, no fees whatsoever, not even late fees. Next is to consider the card's network. Many fuel cards have what's called a closed loop network. That means that you can only use it at a couple of big retailers. When shopping for a card, make sure you're taking into account your routes and where you usually fuel up. Will you be able to purchase fuel there? Will you have discounts? The Bobtail Zero Mastercard can be used anywhere Mastercard is accepted. That's great because you won't have to just rely on a couple of retailers. Okay, let's talk about controlling fuel spending. Tracking fuel spending across multiple routes, drivers, and trucks is essential for running a profitable trucking business. Every fuel card company will have a different way of handling card information and visualizing transactions. The Bobtail Zero application gives you visibility of all of your transactions in one convenient place. You can also freeze and unfreeze cards at the touch of a button, making it really easy to control those cards and avoid fuel theft. A quick note on IFTA reporting. Depending on the card you choose, you may have access to different reports that can help you simplify those quarterly IFTA taxes. If you want to learn more about IFTA, watch our video on that for a breakdown. A fuel card can also help support your business's cash flow. As I mentioned, some cards offer a line of credit that you can use to not dip into savings when you're waiting for payments from customers. This boost to your cash flow can help make those large fuel purchases much easier. Finally, building business credit. Especially when you're first starting out, your business will likely not have any credit or a relatively low score. Using a fuel card that offers a line of credit as opposed to a prepaid card can help you build your business's credit score and get access to financing at better rates. If you choose the Bobtail Zero Zero Mastercard, which after watching this video, why wouldn't you? You will be able to build your business's credit with every fuel purchase. If you want to apply for our fleet card, visit bobtail.com or give us a call. I hope this video was helpful for learning about fuel cards and how to choose the right one for your business. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more trucking business insights and join our Bobtail Help Desk Facebook group to get your questions answered by our team of experts. And I'll see you in the next video.